What's up, everyone? This is Carol Copeland. I am here giving a much deserved review for Jacksonville Mercedes-Benz service team. They were excellent. Yesterday I was a drive up and I did not have an appointment. I needed the service be. They took my car in right away, got the service completed in record time because I know that's a big service. Got it completed, and then Dalton, my service manager, was just excellent. The food was great. Did I mention the food was great? Well, I love the chef at Jacksonville Mercedes-Benz service team. Thank you all to all the mechanics. You really know what you're doing. You made all of those lights that were on my dash because I waited for a while. So I had a light, one light I'll say. I had a light on. They knew exactly what it was, how to get that light turned off. I'm so happy. And so thank you, Jacksonville Mercedes-Benz, for always being top notch. I've been there coming there since 2016, and I will continue because I am possibly in the market for a brand new Mercedes-Benz. We'll see. I don't know. Don't call me, but we'll see. All right. Thanks.